If you are an English teacher, and you would like to convert your lessons to videos, you can contact us to help you on our Telegram account.
Present perfect continuous.
Keywords. Positive form. Negative form. Question form. WH question form. This lesson has 97 sentences.
When to use the present perfect continuous. An action that recently stopped. An action that has not happened recently. The action may be recently finished or continuing. An action that recently stopped and has a present result. The action continued at the time of speaking or writing. To talk about an action that started in the past and continues in the present. To talk about actions in progress from the past up to the present, often with for or since. To emphasize an action repeated many times, or the length of time of an action. Present perfect continuous keywords. All plus time. All day, all week, all month, all year. The whole day, the whole week, the whole night, the whole year. For. Since. Lately. How long. During. Positive form. Subject, plus have, or has, plus been, plus base verb, verb 1, with ing, plus complement. Short forms. I have becomes I've. He has becomes he's. She has becomes she's. It has becomes its. You have becomes you've. We have becomes we've. They have becomes they've. Examples. It has been raining all day. It has been growing since June. I have been reading for 2 hours. I have been waiting for you all day. I'm tired because I've been running. She's been reading that book all day. I have been watching TV since 10 p.m. He has been traveling for 2 hours. I have been cleaning since yesterday. Recently, I have been feeling really tired. I have been writing 10 letters since morning. Lately, Dina has been swimming a lot. I'm tired because I have been running. Adam has been studying math for an hour. Lena has been playing the guitar for 3 years. You have been missing many classes lately. Recently, Sally has been running every day. He has been playing football for a long time. He has been living in Delhi since he left school. I have been working all morning. I am tired. We have been living in this city for 10 years. The students have been preparing for the test. I have been gardening, so my hands are dirty. The street is wet because it has been raining. I have been studying all night, so I'm exhausted. My brother and I have been working since 7 a.m. We have been practicing English together recently. They have been talking for the last hour. We have been waiting here for over 2 hours. We have been working on this project for 5 months. My father is very tired. He's been working very hard. Ibrahim has been teaching at the university since May. Sorry about the mess. We have been painting the walls. My father has been trying to convince me the whole night. Mary has been working at that company for 3 years. My daughter has been watching too much television lately. Half of my chips are gone. Someone has been eating them. The food on the table looks delicious. My mother has been cooking all day. Negative form. Subject, plus have, or has, plus not, plus been, plus base verb, verb 1, with ing, plus complement. Contraction. Have not been, becomes, haven't been. Has not been, becomes, hasn't been. Examples. I haven't been waiting long. It hasn't been snowing all day. You haven't been sleeping all day. Susan has not been cooking lately. It hasn't been moaning all evening. We have not been traveling for a year. Sammy hasn't been feeling well recently. I have been not feeling well these days. We haven't been reading a novel lately. Lately, my friend has not been helping me. Sammy has not been practicing his English. My son hasn't been visiting us since April. She hasn't been living here for 3 years. My wife has not been cooking much recently. My son has not been playing tennis for 5 hours. I have not been reading the book since morning. I have not been listening to music for a long time. My children have not been bothering us for 3 hours. My sister has not been eating healthy food recently. My parents have not been speaking for over a year. Our teacher has not been writing the story since 2 p.m. I'm learning Arabic, but I haven't been learning it very long. You don't understand because you have not been listening. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I hope you haven't waiting long. The Syrian people have not been eating the bread since 2011. Question form. Have or has, plus subject, plus been, plus base verb, verb 1, with ing, plus complement, plus question mark. Short answer. Yes, I have. No, I have not. Examples.
Has it been snowing all day?
Yes, it has.
Have you been waiting long?
No, I haven't.
Have you been playing tennis?
Yes, I have.
Have you been getting up early?
Yes, I have.
Has your wife been helping you?
Yes, she has.
Have you been going to the gym?
No, I haven't.
Have you been reading for an hour?
Yes, I have.
Has your father working hard recently?
No, he hasn't.
Have we been learning English tenses?
Yes, we have.
Has she been living with the dwarfs lately?
No, she hasn't.
You're out of breath. Have you been running?
Yes, I have.
Has she been planning to catch me since you left?
Yes, she has.
Have your parents been sleeping since 9 p.m.?
No, they haven't.
Half of my chips are gone. Has someone been eating them?
Yes, it has. WH question form. WH plus have or has plus subject plus been plus base verb, verb 1 with ing plus complement plus question mark. Examples.
How has he been doing?
He has been doing well.
How long have you been driving?
Since I was 17.
What have you been doing lately?
I have been studying.
Where have you been?
I've been looking for you everywhere.
How long has it been raining?
It has been raining for an hour.
What have you been doing lately?
I've been revising for my exam.
How long have you been teaching?
I have been teaching for 18 years.
Where has your brother been traveling?
He has been traveling in Europe.
How long have you been learning Arabic?
I've been learning Arabic for 2 years.
How long have you been writing books?
I have been writing books since 2014.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English for 3 years.
How long have you been working there?
I have been working there for 7 years.
How long have your parents been married?
They have been married for 24 years.
Why has your son been feeling sad?
He has been feeling sad because his cat died.
How long has your son been reading that book?
He has been reading for 2 hours.
How long have they been playing tennis?
They've been playing tennis for an hour.
How long have you been selling mobile phones?
I have been selling phones since 2011.
Where have you been? Have you been playing tennis?
No, I haven't. I have been reading.
The link of all sentences in this video exist in the description.